Good morning, students. As we know that we are dealing with the quality properties, okay? And in that quality property, we already finished one quality property, that is relative lowering of vapor pressure. So today we are going to discuss about the second quality property, and that is nothing but the elevation of boiling point. Elevation of boiling point. So here elevation means there is an increase. There is increase. What increase? The boiling point. Boiling point of who show there is an increase in the boiling point? That is a solution. A solution of non-volatile solute. Okay. So here the non-volatile solute is present in a solvent, then it shows increase in the boiling point, and that is nothing but the elevation of boiling point. Suppose I have a beaker and I have taken some water, only water. So water here is a pure solvent, and we know that the boiling point of pure solvent is 373 Kelvin, or in terms of degree Celsius, this is 100 degrees Celsius. Correct? Okay. Then after that, suppose I add a non-volatile solute, like maybe urea or sugar or anything else. Suppose I added some urea in this water, and we get the solution of urea in water. And again, by experiment, we will check the boiling point of the solution of urea. Then there is an increase in the boiling point, as it is according to experiment. Okay. So here again means what? The boiling point of a solution depends on the number of solute particles. That means again it is one of the qualitative property. We will see this elevation in boiling point with the help of one graph. Suppose this is x-axis and this is y-axis. Along the x-axis we will take temperature in Kelvin. Along the y-axis we take vapor pressure. Suppose in atmosphere. Why we are taking the graph of this temperature versus vapor pressure? Because to know this elevation of boiling point, we also know the meaning of vapor pressure. Vapor pressure, that is pressure created by the vapors on the surface of that solution. Okay. Then second, we also know the definition of boiling point. So what is boiling point? Boiling point is such a temperature at which the vapor pressure of that liquid is equal to the atmospheric pressure. Again, a new definition. Generally, we will say that the boiling point means the temperature at which the liquid will boils and form the vapors. Okay. But now here the new definition, the boiling point is such a temperature at which the vapor pressure of that liquid material will equal to the atmospheric pressure. And if it is happen, then we say that it's a boiling point of that material, that is liquid material. Okay. Suppose we take this first curve like this. So this is for the solvent. And I will draw this second curve. So it take for the solution. Solution of a non-volatile solid. Solution of a non-volatile solid in a solid like water. So this temperature, that is the boiling point of solvent. This is boiling point of solution. So boiling point of solvent means when its vapor pressure equal to the 1 atmosphere. Suppose this is 1 atmosphere. Okay. So solvent shows a boiling point when its vapor pressure is equal to the 1 atmosphere. So from this graph it is clear that this is temperature. So this will be the temperature, that is TB naught, that is the boiling point of solvent, and this will, that is TB, that means boiling point of solution. So we will get a difference here, that is delta TB. So what is delta TB? Delta TB is equal to, we will get one equation here, delta TB. What is delta TB? Maximum minus minimum. So delta TB is equal to TB. But what is TB? TB is the boiling point of solution minus TB naught. This is the important equation we will get from this graph. Here, so this temperature, if you go from if you go along the x-axis, so TB will be more here. That is the boiling point of solution. Okay. So first of all, we have drawn this x and y axis. Along the x-axis, we have taken the temperature in terms of Kelvin. And on the x-axis, on the y-axis, we have taken the vapor pressure in atmosphere. Here we got two curves, that is first curve for the solvent and second curve for the solution. And this point, this is the upper point, that means this is the boiling point of solvent when its vapor pressure equal to 1 atmosphere. Similar for the solution also. And then we will get a difference of temperature here, that is the delta TB, that means the boiling point of solution minus boiling point of solvent. Okay, so this is very important graph for to understood the elevation of boiling point. So you have to draw this in your notebook. So from the explain now, so we are going to discuss the derivation.